mic.
You really asked for the tonic.
K-Rock on the mic. Yeah, spitting real hot.
Okay, so here's the deal, guys. Congratulations, you've earned it. We are here, and you've won $475 in cash cap. I can give it to you now.
This nigga's an idiot,
You
man.
was recording? Oh, I thought you took a picture, man. You had me tweaking, G.
He said,
Yo, I ain't do this shit. I ain't trying to come up. I'm just clowning. Cash, I'm still counting. I'm so icy like Rich. Pull up with your bitch. Yeah, I took her. Yeah, she thick. You sick how I give a dick? Niggas tricks. Yeah, they snitching. Yeah, your bitch bitching. But shit, she choosing too. K-Rock.
You a sorry excuse for it.
and
What you say, nigga?
you are a sorry excuse for a Pakistani.
You slept, nigga.
Nigga, call you a Pakistani, nigga. You a fucking fool, dude.
Fuck, what is you?